One, two, three.
Hello friends, today I came here to present about equality. One of my friend presented what does mean by equality. I will try to elaborate about equality. Before understanding what does mean by equality, it is very important to understand what does mean by inequality. In a simple way to understand about the inequality, inequality means unequal access of social resources. You might get the question, what does mean by the social resources? Social resources signifies opportunities, connections, support, healthcare, education, etc., whatever available in the society. Inequalities are created by the people to establish their supremacy, to enjoy privileges and maintain over other people, isn't it? There are two kind of inequalities are there. First one is the natural inequality, and second one is the socially produced inequality. Socially produced inequality can harm the people a lot in a bad way. Suppose if you take the book, if you observe the picture, it indicates clearly about the racial discrimination, how the United States of American people, Afro-American people, racially got discriminated by the white people. Okay, it clearly showcasing by picture. You are a black, you have to have a separate water. Because of you are a black, you are not allowed to enter in the restroom. Because you are a black, you have to enter into the separate school. You have to take separate compartment in railway station, etc. This kind of discrimination can significantly, psychologically, can harm the people and lead to be in poverty. And it ultimately leads to poor remain in poor stage, rich remain in rich state. So equality always important. Suppose if you take the example of Jewish race, a race which was discriminated by the Adolf Hitler regime, Nazis. It Holocaust and anti-Semitism happened in those period of time against Jewish people. Almost 60 millions murdered by the Nazis. What happened? Many people got killed. But if you see the statistics, there are many Jewish people are there who revolutionized the world. Take the Karl Marx, who proposed Marxist theory. Take Albert Einstein, who proposed the relative theory. Take the example of Mark Zuckerberg, who is the co-founder of Meta. Take the example of Sigmund Freud, who introduced about psychoanalysis. These are the main greatest people are there who came from discriminatory behavior, who came from the oppressed classes. So I will just to give you a bold example, a practical example. I am here. Take a sword and take away my skin. What left? My heart like you, my kidneys as like you. Even circulatory system, heart, kidneys, nervous system, everything is like you. What difference is only the abilities, potentiality of the individuals. The worth of individuals can't be defined by the color, race, disability, etc. But it can be defined by a person characteristics, abilities, what he can do, what he can make choices. That makes us to think about the idea of equality. Let's dive into the topic of equality. What does mean by equality? Regardless of sex, race, disability, linguistic barriers, every person should have to be treated equally because he has the common humanity. You may get question, what does mean by common humanity? Common humanity represents